How's it going, everybody? Jason here. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a reusable pop-up. So that means you can have a multi-function pop-up in your Bubble app. So I use this on a lot of my sites, particularly when I want to just add or edit small amounts of data. So let's get into how you can use custom states. This is something that will help you keep your app more organized instead of having so many different elements. For this tutorial, I'm going to use the same application I've been using, which is a simple artist and song management tool. So I'm on the management page here. I've already created an add artist pop-up, and this just allows me to enter an artist quickly here. And I also want to create an add genre pop-up. Now, I don't want to keep creating multiple pop-ups because I know this app is going to grow, and I don't want to have to manage a whole bunch of design elements and things for different apps. So here's how you can do it with custom states. So I have my main pop-up here, and I've already built the artist functionality, and I've added a form here for genre. So first let me put a little spacing between this so it looks a little bit nicer. And what I'm going to do for both of these is I'm going to first take the add artist, set it to collapse when hidden, and I don't want this to be loaded on page load. And I'm going to do the exact same thing for the genre. I want it collapsed when hidden, and I do not want to show this on page load. So the way that I want to deal with this is to create a custom state. So first I'll select my pop-up, and then I will go to the custom state tab here, and I'm going to add a mode, and I'm going to set this to text. And what I typically do with this is I have a default. So I'm going to default this to artist, and then what I'm going to need to do is to set a condition that says when this pop-up is opened, if the value is not populated, then show the Add Artist tab. So the way that you do that is you click on the group that you want to show, go onto the Conditions tab, set a condition. So when this pop-up artist mode is artist, this element is visible. So if I go back to the main site here and reload it, the artist form is going to show up automatically. So now what I want to do is do the exact same thing for my genre tab. I'm going to copy this condition, click on my genre group here, paste the condition, and change this to genre. And then now what I need to do is when I open that pop-up, I need to set that custom state. So let me click away here. I'm going to click on the Add Genre button here, add my workflow. So the first action is I'm going to show the element, which is the pop-up. And then the second action is to set the state of an element. And I'm going to set the state of that artist pop-up. I want to set the mode, and I want to set that to genre. I reload the page, go to Manage, click on Add Artist. It's going to show the artist here. And now if I click on Add Genre, it's showing the Add Genre form. So that's a simple way where you can use custom states to reuse the same pop-up indefinitely, and then you can also turn that into a reusable element, and then you can drop it on any page in your site, and you won't have to worry if you're making large sweeping structural layout or style changes. You've got one element where all of that stuff is managed. Remember to hit like and subscribe. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial.